Blessings from DNA Pro Cleaning and Restoration. We are in Old Town, Alexandria, Virginia today, performing the water damage remediation after the flooded basement. We are going to remove all the affected laminate flooring that was completely wet, removing the baseboards. Then we will check any drywall, make sure that's all dry and clean, sanitized, and then we'll put the baseboards back and install the new flooring. So if you need any water damage remediation, we are here 24/7, and it will be our pleasure to serve you. 703-520-5060. Have a wonderful day.